here, and welcome back to another Fuzzee tutorial. Okay, so you've uploaded a video using a third-party program, Google Drive, or your Dropbox. So it's sitting there with nothing done to it other than being uploaded and marked as private. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to add your end cards and do a couple other small things. So first we need to go in and select our YouTube studio. And then we go over here and click on videos on your left hand menu. And then when we hover over the video, we have some options pop up. We're going to click on details. Okay, now we're going to go over here, scroll down a little bit and over to the right and click on the pencil by end screen. Okay, now you have some options here. It gives you a few kind of pre-made templates. This is the one I use the most, which gives me a video I can select, a subscription button, and a playlist. Now I like to move these around a little bit, so you can just grab it and move it over like that. And you're just clicking and dragging, and we'll do the same with the subscription button. Now when you click on each of these, it comes up with options for it on the left. Now one of the options we have with subscriptions, I can show the hover card outline, but I don't normally do that, so we're just going to leave that off. And then we'll go over here and we'll select our playlist, and off to the left we have the options pop up for it. Click on the pencil next to playlist. Now I've only got one playlist here, so we'll just select that one. And then up here for video, we've got three choices once we click on it. Now the one that defaults to is best for viewer, and basically YouTube decides what's going to be the best for the viewer. I don't particularly like that one myself. You can choose a specific video, or you can use this one here, which is what I normally use, which is most recent upload. Now choose specific video. Normally you're going to use that if you're doing a series of videos that one needs to follow the next, so you can have it automatically pop up a window and go to the next one. So that can be a handy feature. Now down here it will have already put these in for us in this bottom half of the screen, and we can adjust the length of these. So I personally don't like it when a large chunk of the video has cards hovering over it and I'm missing stuff that they're still talking about. So I like to grab it and drag it down to the shortest possible length. And you can have them all at different lengths, and you can use this little slider bar up here, and you can grab this little button and move it back and forth, and it'll bring you to that spot in the video so you can see when these are going to actually appear, to make sure they're in the right spot. Sometimes you might be talking about asking your viewer to please subscribe, and you want the subscribe button to pop up just as you say that, and this is how you accomplish that. So you would find that spot where that's going to pop up, and then you change this and move it down to where you want it, and we'll just double check, make sure that's going to be the right spot. A little fine tuning and you're all done. So we'll just save this. Now the one thing you have to be aware of is none of this is going to work until you actually make your video public. So we're going to go over here to visibility, and we're going to pop that list down and we're going to change it to public. Now you could schedule it to show up on a particular date and time, but that'll be part of a different tutorial. So we're just going to click on done once we set it to public, and then we'll go over here and click on save. Now we can go up to this little menu option here and go back to our channel videos. Verify that it is set to public. And if we click on this little YouTube icon here, we can actually go do a test view and make sure that it's working. And we're just going to scroll up to the end here, and there's our subscribe button, and then there's our other two here showing up. Now you notice that that in this one spot it's showing this video is unavailable. That's happening because this channel has only got a couple of videos on it right now, and this is the newest one, so that's why that isn't working. But once you get a few videos in there, it'll all work just fine. Alright, that is it for this tutorial. If you like these tutorials and you want to see more, please subscribe to the channel, and if you want to be notified when a new video comes out, make sure you click that notification bell. We'll hope to see you back soon.